Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. Today we are taking a first look at the LG US20A, which is a compact 2.0 channel soundbar designed to boost your TV's audio without taking over your living room. If you have been struggling to hear dialogue clearly or feel like your flat screen built-in speaker just lack depth, this little bar might be the perfect solution. LG has designed this unit to be incredibly sleek and unobstructive. It measures just 60 centimeters wide, so it fits neatly underneath most modern TVs without blocking the screen or the remote sensor. Despite its small size, LG has packed it with some new acoustic tech to deliver a surprisingly amount of sound. It pushes out 50 watts of rich stereo sound with support for Dolby Audio, giving your favorite shows and movie a much needed punch. Standard features here is AI Sound Pro. Especially the soundbar analyzes what you are watching in real time, whether it is an action movie with loud explosion, a quiet drama with whispered conversations, or a fast-paced sports game. It automatically adjusts the audio settings to optimize the sound. You won't have to fiddle with the remote to understand what people are saying. The bar does the work for you. For those with compatible LG TV, the integration gets even smarter with WOW interface. This means you don't need to juggle two remotes. You can control the soundbar volume and settings directly through your TV's own screen menu, making the whole experience seamless. Beyond your TV, this bar is also a great for music due to built-in Bluetooth 5.3. You can stream podcast, playlist, or audio from your phone directly to the soundbar. In terms of connection, you get one HDMI input and a USB port, giving you option for plugging in other devices. We are going to unbox this gear, check it out and see what is inside, and also set it up with a phone via Bluetooth, and most importantly test the audio to see if this compact bar can really deliver on its promise of a big sound for a small package. This is the information pack. Accessories, remote control, the power cable, the battery, this is very light. See what it looks like. The top is wood and this is plastic. So you switch the soundbar on and off. This button is input. Minus is for you to decrease the volume. The plus is for you to increase the volume. This button is Bluetooth, and the ports. So you got HDMI, TV, ARC, and USB, 5V and 500 amp. The power cable goes to this port. So take the cable, connect it to this port, AC in, plug it onto the socket. Take the remote control, this is the remote. Switch the soundbar on and off on this button. This button is the input, Bluetooth button, mute button, volume increase, and volume minus. So put this, the cover. This uses AAA battery. So take the remote, negative goes to the top. On the right side, negative goes to the top. Positive on the bottom. On the left side, negative on the bottom, the positive on the top. Then slide up. Then switch the soundbar on. The light is highlighting. Then select Bluetooth.
Bluetooth connection ready.
Bluetooth connection ready. Go to our mobile device, go to Play Store, install and download LG ThinQ app. Open the app, then add a device, then scroll down to select soundbar, turn on the soundbar, then select turn on. ThinQ is asking to turn Bluetooth on, select allow. Turn on. The soundbar is found LG US20A. Then select on it. Press the Bluetooth button. Voice prompt sound when the connection is ready. So select Bluetooth button.
Bluetooth connection ready.
Then release it. Keep your smartphone close. Almost done. Where is the soundbar located? Living room, then select next. Soundbar added, then select OK. So this is the soundbar here. So this is connected. Soundbar is on. And from this app, we'll show you the bar, fireware update later on. So from this app, you will see the volume minus and volume plus sound effect. You can also switch the soundbar on and off, and the menu, TV remote, source, HDMI, USB, and Bluetooth. So if you want to test the audio, then select Bluetooth. It's paired via Bluetooth. And also you have sound settings, tone settings, sound settings. You have dynamic range control, auto volume control, and also tone settings. So you can select the tone, mid, and bass. Another way to set this up, once you switch the Bluetooth on the soundbar, go to your phone settings, select Bluetooth, switch the Bluetooth on. Then when you select Bluetooth, then it will show you Bluetooth LG. The device is connected. It will show you highlight a blue color. So this is connected. If it's not connected, then you need to select Bluetooth and add this device to connect it. So this is another way to add the device. Now we're going to test the audio using Orbit Sound. AI Sound Pro.
Standard.
So this is standard.
AI Sound Pro.
AI Sound Pro.
Cinema.
Game.
Standard. AI Sound Pro.
Thank you very much indeed. This soundbar deserves your attention. Thank you.